Namaste. How's it going? It'll probably take between 3 and 6 months for the Khechari Mudra to settle. Don't rush. When I was learning it, I was practicing Khechari Mudra with the Nadi Shodhana. And until now, I do this combination. Right? The Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, especially with the retention, and Khechari Mudra, they blend beautifully together in reinforcing your cleansing practices. Nadi Shodhana, it's a way for us to purify the many channels of the energetic anatomy, particularly balancing the right and the left channels, the Ida and the Pingala, and the Khechari Mudra paves way for the opening of the Sushumna Nadi. So these techniques, the Nadi Shodhana and the Khechari Mudra, they really help you reinforce your cleansing practices, leading to high energy absorption. All right, so I practice those techniques daily. I would do 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes before bedtime. If you don't have that time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes would suffice. And of course, as you practice the method, you will produce more saliva, so release the Khechari Mudra and just recover them out. But continue practicing the alternate nostril breathing. I've given plenty of tutorials about the technique, the Nadi Shodhana and the Khechari Mudra. Feel free to look at them so you can appreciate the techniques, because these are the combination of the many other underlying components. You're practicing Nadi Shodhana, but there are deeper components or elements which might help you refine your experience. Now, into the future, the Khechari Mudra could be practiced with the Ujjayi Pranayama. So this is now where the hands are not involved. Right. And the benefit of doing the Ujjayi Pranayama in conjunction with the Khechari Mudra, and I've mentioned this as well in my past tutorials about the Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama becomes the gateway for the opening of the Sushumna Nadi, as well as the intersection between the bottom regions of our astral anatomy, the three bottom chakras, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, and the Manipura. It opens up so you can bring and send the energy up to the higher chakras, the heart, the throat, and the rest of the energetic anatomy. So the Ujjayi Pranayama becomes like the gateway for these two opposing, seemingly opposing energies, the Apanavaya from the hips and the Pranavaya from the inhalation. We inspire to blend, and they become one, and they all, the unified force rises to the higher centers. Now, what is the purpose and the goal of the Khechari Mudra now in conjunction with the Ujjayi Pranayama? All right, so Khechari Mudra, opens the rest of the energetic anatomy. Khechari Mudra for me is the mudra, the bandha, all in one. It's an asana all in one. It's like it can withstand the practice on its own. Because when the Khechari Mudra happens openly inside, you can feel the inner pockets inside the body. You can direct the breath. You can direct the energy to those hidden pockets for deeper cleansing and for clarity and for more channeling. And with the Ujjayi Pranayama, you open the Uddiyana Bandha, and therefore the energy can easily pierce the chakras of the spine. So, Ujjayi Pranayama is something that I didn't learn as a separate component. It just happened. I just found myself doing it as I practiced the method, whether asana, pranayama, or even meditation. So if you are now at the stage of your practice where the Khechari Mudra is settled and there's no pressure anymore, so what you do, do a nice inhalation, nice and easy first, and then perform the Khechari Mudra inside. Release the tongue, and then you recover the breath. You can breathe normally, maybe 2 or 3 times of your normal breath, inhaling and exhaling. Or, as long as you can sustain, as many rounds as you can sustain. So what we just practiced is like 8 seconds retention, Yeah, if 8 seconds is too long for you, if you feel the heaviness, you can just cut it down to 4 seconds, but do your retention, or you can go as long as what? 16 beat retention. So you can also apply and combine, yeah, Nadi Shodhana, Khechari Mudra, and the Ujjayi Pranayama all in one. All right, so to perform that, good. Blocking the right nostril, inhale easy first to the left, and then you do your Khechari Mudra at the top of the breath. Then release the tongue, and then do Nadi Shodhana without the Khechari, just the Ujjayi. And then hold again while recovering the tongue and the throat. All right. If you can't do what? Yeah, 3 in a row of those 3 techniques combined together, yeah, you can do that as well. But what I normally do, because I do my retention longer, I would do 1 round of the Nadi Shodhana with Khechari Mudra, yeah, and then as I recover the side, I will release the tongue, and then enter the Khechari Mudra again and perform the same length of the Kumbhaka. You're right. And of course, yeah, the spine would have the remain tool. Yeah, the core is engaged, but you don't squeeze. Just lift the spine tool and lightly bow the head towards the chest. Yeah, so like you're performing the Tribanda. Now, when the spine is upright and you soften the head, you don't have to engage other squeezing there. The Khechari Mudra will does it for you. The Ujjayi Pranayama will work on those energetic points inside the body. Yeah, and of course the Nadi Shodhana, yeah, is an adjunctive tool for you to purify and then release the stagnation, clogging, and making the right and the left channels, yeah, in a balance. Yeah, so you can, yeah, attain the balanced state. And after that, what you do is, yeah, release a technique, yeah, and then practice the Kapalbhati. All right, but of course, this happens after your gentle asana. All right. So in sitting, yeah, Sukhasana, yeah, or Siddhasana, yeah, but normally I would just do Sukhasana. Yeah, so you don't have to be combining too many techniques. You just cross-leg sitting right now and sitting on a block, and that's fine as well. All right, so keep practicing. Yeah, again, don't rush. Yeah, allow each technique to settle, yeah, before combining the other ones into your practice. Yeah, have a lovely, well, rest of the year. Yeah, so probably this will be my last tutorial for the year, and I'm really excited, yeah, about sharing with you more tips and lessons into the coming one. Yeah, Merry Christmas, and see you in the next year. Yeah, namaste.